Today, I got a project in. It's a 2000 Suburban with a Duramax in it. Not bad. But I got a little rust repair to do and a window regulator to install, so let's get started and see what happens. So it's pretty solid. Didn't weld completely around. There's like a foam behind there that I'm scared is gonna light on fire. See what else I can get done. There's some Bondo on her. I don't claim to be a paint and body man, but it's time for paint. Let's see what happens. If anybody's wondering, window regulators and door panels, fun. It's a great time. Time to see if it works. Thanks for watching today's episode, guys. If you like what you saw, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and we'll see what we get into in the next video. See you later.